Picture this. You're standing right in the middle of the control room of a massive power plant. Everything around you is just running flawlessly. You've got these massive turbines generating electricity, industrial pumps circulating thousands of gallons of water, and production is hitting full capacity. And then, out of nowhere, an alarm blares. Red lights start flashing everywhere. A critical bearing in the main steam turbine just failed. Instantly, the turbine trips, power generation grinds to an absolute halt, and within literally minutes, the facility starts hemorrhaging thousands of dollars. The maintenance team is scrambling, rushing to figure out the problem, but it's too late. The damage is already done.
But what if you knew exactly when that bearing was going to break? 10 days before it actually happened. Think about how that would change everything, right? The panic? Gone. That catastrophic loss of revenue totally vanishes. You just calmly schedule a repair, swap out the part, and keep right on going. That incredibly powerful shift from just reacting to actively predicting is exactly what we're going to unpack in today's explainer, as we break down the absolute game changer that is artificial intelligence-based maintenance.
Okay, let's dive into this. Today we're looking at the cost of unexpected failure, types of maintenance strategies, how AI-based maintenance actually works, a real-world industrial pump example, the big benefits of AI, and finally, the future of industry.
Section 1. The cost of unexpected failure. This is where we see just how devastating downtime and financial hits can really be.
Section 2. Types of maintenance strategies. Let's look at how we historically handled these things with reactive versus preventative models.
Legacy strategies basically force operators to choose the lesser of two evils. On one hand, reactive maintenance leaves us completely vulnerable to catastrophic downtime and cascading damage. You're just waiting for things to break. On the other hand, preventative maintenance burns through your budget by prematurely swapping out perfectly healthy parts just because a calendar told you to. Honestly, both models are fundamentally flawed.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the contrast in the triggers. That's what changes the game here. Reactive responds to a physical break. Preventive responds to an arbitrary date on a calendar. But AI-based maintenance, it responds directly to live equipment telemetry by constantly monitoring the real-time health of the machine and lets operators intervene exactly when necessary. No guessing, just maximizing uptime and minimizing waste.
So instead of relying on those arbitrary schedules, we basically leverage two main types of AI maintenance models. Think of it kind of like a doctor monitoring a patient. First, you have predictive AI. This acts as a continuous anomaly detection system, watching real-time operational data to warn you about impending wear and tear before symptoms get bad. And then second, you have prescriptive AI, which takes it a whole step further by actually recommending the specific operational changes or repair actions you need to take to extend that asset's life before a failure ever even happens.
Section 3. How AI-based maintenance works. Let's look at the actual 4-step process.
The whole thing really hinges on 4 critical steps. Step 1 is data collection. You've got smart sensors installed all over the equipment, gathering thousands of data points every single second. We're talking temperature, flow rate, sound levels, the whole shebang. Step 2 is AI analysis. The system ingests all this data and compares current conditions with historical patterns. It basically learns what normal looks like for that specific machine. Step 3 is failure prediction. The moment abnormalities pop up, the AI identifies the early warning signs and calculates exactly when a failure is likely to hit. And finally, step 4 is maintenance action. The team gets an alert, they schedule a surgical repair during a planned shutdown, and that's it. No surprises, no chaos.
To put that into perspective, if those sensors pick up an increasing microscopic vibration, the AI instantly knows that equals bearing wear. If it detects rapid pressure fluctuations, boom, it flags that as pump cavitation. These are tiny, completely invisible warning signs that a human inspector walking the factory floor would easily, naturally walk right past. But the AI, it catches them every single time.
Section 4. Real example. Industrial pump. Let's move to and see how this builds in a high-stakes environment like an offshore oil and gas platform.
Okay, so on these offshore platforms, production pumps have to operate continuously. A failure out there is catastrophically expensive. So, day 1, baseline acoustic monitoring begins. The AI is just listening, learning the pump's normal hum. Fast forward to week 3. The AI flags some unusual high-frequency sound anomalies. It cross-references this with historical data, identifies early-stage cavitation damage, and predicts a major failure within days.
By week 4, armed with that exact prediction, the maintenance team simply steps in and replaces the worn components before any breakdown ever occurs.
So the crucial point is the return on this intelligence is absolutely staggering. We're talking about a massive 50% reduction in pump failures. Half of their catastrophic breakdowns were completely wiped out just by listening to the data. That is incredible.
And as you'll see, this success translates right across sectors. We are seeing a 40% reduction in unexpected downtime for power plant steam turbines, that 50% drop for offshore oil pumps we just talked about, and a massive 60% reduction in downtime for manufacturing conveyor systems, all just by detecting early bearing wear. The return on investment across the board is absolutely massive.
Section 5. Benefits of AI maintenance. Let's summarize exactly why industries are investing so heavily here.
When you list it all out, the impact is pretty undeniable. Sure, AI predicts failures and reduces the unplanned downtime, which we've seen, but it also significantly lowers maintenance costs by avoiding that catastrophic secondary damage. It drastically improves worker safety because engineers aren't rushing to fix exploding machines in super dangerous emergency conditions. It extends the overall life of your equipment, it optimizes your spare parts inventory so you're not just hoarding unnecessary stuff in a warehouse, and ultimately, it supports completely data-driven decision-making. So it goes way beyond just saving a few bucks, it completely transforms operational safety and efficiency.
Section 6. The future of industry. From breaking down to predicting and preventing.
And this brilliantly illustrates the paradigm shift we're going through. Yesterday's maintenance was breakdown and repair, but tomorrow's maintenance is entirely predict and prevent. Maintenance teams are fundamentally leveling up. They aren't just going to be reacting to emergencies with wrenches in hand anymore. Instead, they'll be managing these highly intelligent systems that are capable of predicting intricate mechanical problems weeks or even months in advance.
I want to really highlight this quote directly from our source material. Industries that adopt AI today will gain a significant competitive advantage tomorrow. Listen, this isn't just some neat technological trick. This is literally the new baseline for industrial survival. If your competitors never have to halt production for broken machinery, and you're still sitting there waiting for things to break before you fix them, you simply won't be able to compete.
So we started this explainer by asking, can AI tell us before it happens? Well, the answer is definitively, absolutely yes. The real question you have to ask yourself now is, if your competitors are already listening to the invisible warnings of their machinery, how much longer can you afford to wait for yours to break?